Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of Korea's most beloved snacks, kimbap. This isn't just any kimbap, we're going to explore three different types: the classic handmade kimbap, the trendy, nude, kimbap, and the adorable mini kimbap. First up, let's start with the traditional handmade kimbap. Kimbap is essentially rice, vegetables, and other fillings rolled in seaweed. The process begins with laying down a sheet of roasted seaweed, or jim, on a bamboo mat. Then, we spread a thin layer of seasoned rice evenly across the seaweed. The key here is to keep the rice layer thin but even, so the roll isn't too bulky. Next, we add the fillings. Classic kimbap fillings often include pickled radish, spinach, carrots, and some type of protein, like fish cake or bulgogi marinated beef. You can also add strips of egg omelette for an extra layer of flavor. Once all the fillings are lined up in the center, it's time to roll. Using the bamboo mat, we carefully roll the kimbap, pressing gently to keep it tight and compact. Now, we slice it into bite-sized pieces. Each slice reveals a beautiful spiral of colorful ingredients. The taste is a harmonious blend of the savory seaweed, slightly sweet and tangy pickled radish, and the rich flavor of the seasoned rice. It's a perfect on-the-go snack, or a light meal that's both delicious and nutritious. Next, we have something a bit different: the nude kimbap. This version flips things inside out. Instead of the seaweed wrapping the outside, the rice does. It's like a sushi roll in reverse. To make it, we start the same way, spreading the rice on the seaweed. But then, we flip the seaweed over so the rice side is down. The fillings are placed directly on the seaweed, just like with the traditional kimbap. Rolling it is a bit trickier because the rice is sticky and on the outside. But with some practice, it becomes easier. The finished roll is sprinkled with sesame seeds for extra flavor and texture. When you bite into a slice, you'll notice how the soft, seasoned rice contrasts with the slightly crunchy vegetables and tender meat. It's a modern twist on a classic that's fun to make and even more fun to eat. Finally, let's talk about mini kimbap, also known as gogoma kimbap or kids kimbap. These are smaller, bite-sized versions of the traditional kimbap, often filled with simpler ingredients like pickled radish and a touch of sesame oil. They're especially popular with kids and are perfect for picnics or lunchboxes. To make these, we use smaller sheets of seaweed and a thinner layer of rice. The key to mini kimbap is to keep everything light and simple. After rolling and slicing, you end up with these cute, compact rolls that are bursting with flavor despite their small size. Each bite is a concentrated hit of the savory, sweet, and tangy tastes that make kimbap so beloved. Kimbap is incredibly versatile and can be customized to your taste. Whether you prefer the classic style, the trendy nude version, or the adorable mini rolls, there's a type of kimbap for everyone. It's a great way to experience Korean cuisine. And the best part is that it's easy to make at home. So next time you're in the kitchen, give kimbap a try. Thanks for joining me today on this culinary journey through Korea's favorite snack. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious adventures. See you next time.